Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to unblock on Telegram. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Telegram app. Then after, over here you can see I have two contacts. Firstly, Techie Guy. Here you can see there is no option if you tap on it for a while. There is no option of block or unblock. If you tap on a contact, there you can see block user but not unblock. So tap on the profile you want to unblock. Then if you tap on it, there you can see the option of unblock user. Tap on it, then tap on OK. Like this, you have unblocked a user in Telegram. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.